Hey, what's up, everyone? Kyle here from KGTV, and I just got the Google Home Hub. Um, I actually pre-ordered it from Google's site, and it just came in today. So I just wanted to do a quick unboxing, and then I'll have like probably another video of the unit like set up and kind of what it looks like, like up and running and everything like that. So just pretty tightly in there. And then that's the unit itself. It's actually pretty small. Like, if you were to take like an iPad mini and like maybe cut an inch off of it from the height and the width, that'd probably be the size of it. So that's the unit right there. I got the like gray version or whatever. I think it comes in black. There's a green color, and then I want to say there's like a pinkish or orangish color. I'm not exactly sure of the fourth color. Um, but yeah, it looks pretty nice. I'm guessing, yeah, by looking at it, this is probably where the speaker is. Like down in here, kind of looks like there might be a speaker grill there. And it looks like there's something right in here too. It's got a grippy bottom, this orange bottom, so whenever you stand it up, it's not going to really slide too much. I wish wasn't using my phone. I'm shooting on my Galaxy Note 9 right now, so I was going to do like a size comparison. But there's my hand in comparison to it. So, so there's that, and then we'll see what else is in here. So just got your booklet. Here's your power cable. It's not a USB-C or anything. Looks like, not sure if it's like a 9-volt, 12-volt thing or whatever. That can't think of it at the moment. And let me see. Feels like there's something in here, but I guess there's not. Yeah, so there's nothing in here. Pretty simple. You just plug the unit in, and then you just link up your Google account and stuff like that. I thought it'd be kind of nice because the price point isn't that bad on these. It's I paid like $150 for it, and I have a Google Home Mini and stuff, and I really like it just when I'm walking around the house to be able to, play music or whatever, and just get like updates on stuff I'm doing. So I thought this would be kind of cool to have next to my bed on my nightstand. The only thing that I'm a little afraid of is that I can watch YouTube on there, and I watch way too much of that, especially like when I'm laying in bed. So to have like a screen that I can watch it on like that, instead of having to hold my phone, that's pretty dangerous. It doesn't have a camera on here, so that's kind of like a nice thing. It still has the microphone, which you can actually turn off in the back. So if you're going to bed and you don't want Google to be listening to whatever the hell you're doing, that's a nice feature. But yeah, there's no camera on this, so that should give you a little bit of peace of mind if you have it in a bedroom or something like that. And then this right here is an ambient light sensor. So for instance, if you have it in your bedroom and the lights are out and it's pretty dark, the screen will dim pretty low because it's not sensing any light coming through. So that's a good feature to have. In terms of the length of this cable, looks like it's over 3 feet. I want to say it's almost like the length of my wingspan, so it's almost like maybe 5 foot, I'd say, maybe more, which is pretty good. So it's got a decent sized cable. Actually, let me just try plugging it in real quick. Don't want it to take too long for you guys. I didn't want to make a super long video on this, but just kind of wanted to see what it looked like, boot it up and everything. I don't know if it has like a touch screen. I'm not exactly sure how all that works, or if everything has to be voice command. I would like to think that it will do touch and stuff like that. Screen looks pretty nice. I mean, it's not like...
Welcome to Google Home. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
Okay, so I'm not going to go through the whole process of setting it up and everything, just because I wanted to keep this video semi-short. But yeah, there's the boot up of it. Viewing angles are pretty good. I mean, there's no real like blue shift or anything. So that's awesome. But yeah, I'll have a setup video and stuff once I get it set up, just some like demonstrations of it running and everything like that. But I just wanted to get a quick video out there just in case any of you guys were looking at getting one of these. I'm not exactly sure if it's like out today in stores, or if that was just because like I pre-ordered it that I got it today. If I find that out, I'll put that in the description for you guys. But yeah, so just a quick video. Let me know if you have any questions or if you want to see anything on it. But yeah, hopefully you guys liked it, and I'll talk to you soon. Later.